Assalamu alaikum my beautiful viewers. Today I'm making very quick and easy delicious mango mousse recipe that you can make it anytime and you will love it. So why we waiting? Let's get started. So here I have 3 cups of mango chunks, half cup water, it's room temperature, half cup water, half cup condensed milk, 2 cups heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons gelatin, and that's the gelatin I'm using it, and it's halal. You can get it from any desi market, Indian or Pakistani. You can get it very easily. Halal gelatin. First step is we're gonna make a mango puree, but make sure that few of the mango chunks you need to save it for later for garnishing. So I'll just take it off few chunks, and the rest I'm gonna make a mango puree. Secondly, I'm gonna add my 2 tablespoons of sugar, and simply I'm gonna blend this, or you can use the food processor as well. So for the next step, I'm gonna add my 2 teaspoons gelatin. Simply I'm gonna mix it in the room temperature water, which is half cup. I mix my gelatin water and mango puree together, and I'm gonna keep it aside. So guys, we need to make sure everything is cool. I just put all the utensil in the refrigerator for 15 minutes before I use my whipping cream, and it's really tandy and cold whipping cream. Simply we're just gonna beat it up. Now at this stage, like I have been beating my whipping cream for 2-3 minutes, I'm gonna add my condensed milk, which is I'm using half cup. So now I'm gonna take off some mousse or whipping cream for garnishing later or for topping. So I'm gonna maybe 2 big scoop. I take it out like 2 big scoop here, and the rest I'm gonna add my mango puree in it. So here you go. So the first layer is for mango puree, the one we just made with the gelatin. And now I'm gonna mix all my rest of the puree in here. Simply we will fold it. Simply I'm gonna add my mousse in there. Simply I just have a Ziploc bag, so I'm gonna add my cream in it. Simply I'm gonna cut this.